Caller, welcome back to the show. Or welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Hey, man, what's going on? What's up, NANABOOZHOO? Hey, Hunter. Welcome back to the show. Did you call in because we're talking about art? Yeah, man. I was like, come on, Doug. You know I'm an artist too. Yeah, I like to paint. I like to paint my dreams. Yeah, that's what I hear. How do you say that in the Ojibwe painter? How do you say that now? We say, Jujubi Ige Winini. Jujubi what now? Jujubi Ige Winini. Jujubi Ige is to paint. Jujubi Ige, and then Winini, it's like a man. Jujubi Ige Winini. Oh, man. I done about that, seen that. Well, now what's artist? How do you say artist, man? Well, we would say Mazinabi Ige Winini. Mazinabi what now? Who? Mazinabi Ige Winini. Mazinabi Ige Winini. Oh, man. Hey, hold on a second here. Mazinabi Ige Winini. Oh, man. Artist. That's awesome, man. How you doing, brother? I'm fine. How are you, Hunter? I'm doing great, man. I wanted to show my painting on the show, man. Can I show my painting? Come on, I was like, dig if you will this picture. Why don't you dig if you will my picture? I don't know, man. Kind of wanted to show art today. My paintings are art, man. I got $250,000 less. All right. This is the last time, though. I don't like promoting your art. Come on, man. Show my art. All right. So this is Hunter Biden painting. How long did this take you to do this? Man, I painted that thing in 10 minutes, dude. Dude, it's not even a painting, man. I was just dropping drops of those idiots, man. It gave me $250,000. Yeah. And let's see another one of yours. And then here's another one. What do you call this one? I call that crap in the bottom of my tub. Yeah. So Hunter Biden. Yeah, man, I'm an artist. I'm a big guy with yeah. And how's the war on drugs? Man, I am losing the war on, or maybe I'm winning. I think I'm winning. I bet you I'm winning. Hold on, man. Oh yeah, I'm definitely winning. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I gotta go. No, wait. How do you say that when man, when you're talking Indian? You mean when I'm speaking Ojibwe? Yeah, man. How do you say that when you say, I will see you again? We say, Gigawaba Min, Minowa. Gigawaba, no! Gigawaba Min, Minowa. Gigawaba Min, Minowa. Gigawaba Min, Minowa, man. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later, Hunter. See you. I won't suffer fools. You won't suffer fools. You think Hunter's a fool? Well, he's not the sharpest pen. Sharpest pen? Yeah. He's not the sharpest pen in the box? Yeah. Apparently I'm not the sharpest pen.